The Kaaba was the very first house built by Allah. Allah created it at the same time He created the sun, the moon, and the earth. Later, Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, worked on it further by Allah's command. Then came Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him. His people were extremely disobedient and sinful, so Allah sent a severe punishment on them. The entire population was destroyed. Only those in the ark survived. Because of this, the walls of the Kaaba were completely destroyed. After that, Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, rebuilt the Kaaba by Allah's command. Over time, it underwent several changes, but the structure built